Hi, Livingston here, and welcome to another shoot with another Spekular Light, the Light Blaster. What is a light blaster? It's actually a device that allows you to slot stencils into it, and then you put a lens in front and then your light behind. You shoot the light through, and then it would cast whatever stencil design that you have onto your subject or onto your wall, or wherever you need it to be actually. Today, what we are going to do is we're going to use one of the stencils that has a cloud effect. And I'm going to cast that onto the background with my lovely model Nike over here in the foreground, and then I'll light her separately. This is the concept and this is the idea. Without talking much, let's get straight into the shoot, and I hope you enjoy. Let's go. I have all the lights set up as I want them to be. That side, I have the beauty dish with a grid on it. The reason why I have the grid on is to prevent the light from falling onto the background, because I need the background to be much more darker so that I can have the light blaster casting the image without any contamination. Otherwise, if the light from here goes onto the background as well, it will be washed out. And then onto the other side, which is like a rim light on Nike, I have MS300 with a purple gel inside. So the first shot that I'm going to take one with both of the lights off, except the light that is powering the light blaster. And inside that, I have the Godox Ving light. So let's take the first shot and see how that comes out. And then after that, we'll throw in the remaining lights. Let's go. The cool thing with the light blaster is that because you have a lens in front, you can actually focus how sharp or how blurred you want your stencil to be. So the last shot that I took, I realized that it wasn't that blurred as much as I want it to be. So that's what I'm going to do. Just blur it out a little bit more and then take that shot again. Now that everything is set, let's begin the shoot and have more fun. So we are done with the first look, and I want Nike to change into something more schoolgirl vibe, something a little bit childish, so that I can shoot or capture more of the head in the cloud. So let's see how those turn out as well. Let's go. So we've come to the end of the shoot, and I hope that you enjoyed it. Nike, did you enjoy the shoot?
I did.
Good. So with the end of the shoot, we went through the stencils of the blue skies, then we did the wings as well as the grass with the skies, and that's where we did the Pippi Longstocking look. So if you don't want to do the whole cutting of the gold bowl with the light in front and all that stuff, the light blaster is a very portable way of using it. So it's helped me, and I hope that you can find a very useful way of incorporating that into your photo shoot. So with that said, Livingston, I'm out. See you next time. Bye-bye.